Well, here we are at Willows Park. The ocean is very calm. You can just see that the color is starting to come onto the leaves. And these ones here are still pretty bare, but the leaves are coming. And it's finally been a warm day today, which it hasn't been for most of the time, the couple weeks that I've been back from Arkansas. There's these little pretty blue flowers here. The color is starting to fade from these giant rhododendron flowers. They go paler and then they go a little brown around the edges, but some of them are still good. Here's the house at Willows Beach that has the magnificent tulip display. These ones have their little cage still pulled back, and these ones are really tall. I really do love the balcony ones around the base of the tree. A lot of work to have a garden like this. But now we're going to go back down to the beach and do our walk. The rhododendrons their flowers don't all open at the exact same time. See, those ones are just starting to open, so they're full of color. And this one hasn't started to open yet. Just a bare bud. There's all the trees going down the path to the tea room. There's a very large boat zipping past. That looks extremely expensive. And it's moving very fast. It's got a huge wake, which means that the waves will get big in a little bit. And beautiful day. You can't see the Olympic mountains at all. We're gonna walk down to the big tree. Some sort of weird little ocean worm creature, icky thing here.
Until she hits a hole.
Well, we didn't go all the way to the far end because there was a looked like a golden retriever fluffy dog puppy that was a little too bouncy for Rover. As you can see, the tide is way out, and this is the wake from that big yacht that went past. And you can't see, you can vaguely make out Mount Baker way over there, but not very clearly. Anyway, we're going to go off to Cattle Point. Here's a little hollowed out limpet. Here somebody has written Canada 2018 on the beach sand, and Canada with a K. Well, here we are down at the Cattle Point end, and we're going to turn around as I have to finish drying his little bedding and give him a bath before he goes to the puppy sitter for the weekend. Isn't that right, little guy? Hey, little guy. Anyway, I'm going to Salt Spring Island and he can't come. So we're going to walk back now. They're both bringing it back. This is today's collection of beach pebbles. The black one is basalt, and I don't know what the others are, but they might be interesting for wire-wrapped jewelry. Well, thanks for coming to Willows Beach with us today. Hope you saw some interesting stuff, and we'll be back another day.